Based on your own assessment, they are trolling you because they believe on the narrative of China, or more of nakikita nyo binabayaran lang sila?
Well, yun ang I don't know if they really believe in the narrative of China. Napakahirap ibenta eh. Kung Pilipino ka talaga, kung normal kang Pilipino, hindi ka kakampi sa China dahil binubuli tayo, kinukuha ng teritoryo natin eh.
Sir, don't you think na isa sa nakakonvince din sa kanila kung bakit halos isa yung narrative, yung narinig natin the past 6 years coming from our president din, na sinasabi pag lumaban tayo, pag pumalag tayo, gegerahin tayo, mapupulbos tayo? Well,
yan yung kanilang linya eh, na kami raw, pag hindi dahil pro-China, maka-Amerikano raw kami. At gusto raw namin ng gera, sila ayaw nila sa pamilya. Hindi po ganun. Most of these people are influencers, no, identified with the former administration, no. But ako po with President Duterte, to be clear, wala ho kaming away. I respect him. Ito lang pong kanyang mga dating supporters. Nagulat ako bakit sobra ho silang naging pro-China. And I suspect that it's I'm hoping that they would realize that they are being used for destabilization efforts.
Sir, sabi niyo nga, no, tama ba yung take ko? Following the line of former President Duterte, but not necessarily because si President Duterte yung nag-i-instigate yung behind it.
Yes, I think they're just, siguro yung perception nila, pro-China noon si President Duterte. But I don't think it's President Duterte behind it. No? Sa kanila na yan eh. Mukhang, I don't know kung totoong paniniwala nila yan o trabaho lang nila yan. Yun, there are intel reports that they are being tapped by China and funded by China to cause trouble internally. I don't think the president would do that. Naging President Duterte would do that. Kasi pagiging pangulo ka, alam ko mahal mo yung bansa mo eh. And I still believe that he loves his country and he knows that anything of this nature will not be good for the country. So naniniwala ko na wala na yan. Retired na yan si President Duterte and he has done already his part.
Sabi niyo may kumakausap na sa mga retired military officers. Itong kumakausap na to, sir, they being paid also by China or contract, ano ba itong mga, or itong kasama din sa grupo ng mga influencer yung nag-i-instigate?
Well, probably. Siguro kasama, magkakakilala sila eh. Probably magkarami sa kanila, magkakasama noon. So, kaya nga, I'm appealing to them, no, na tigilan na natin yung adventurism and these type efforts. Wag na natin isipin sarili natin kasi kung mahal natin bayan natin, we will not allow this eh.